Welcome to Review Lab. The best Kitchenaid Mixer Strainer is probably one of the most versatile and essential attachments you can add to your stand mixer, transforming it from a baking powerhouse into a juicing and straining marvel, perfect for creating smooth sauces, purees, and even homemade baby food with minimal effort and maximum efficiency, ensuring you get the most out of your investment and elevate your culinary creations to a whole new level of professional quality right in your own kitchen. Number 5. Kitchenaid KSMVSA Fresh Prep Slicer Shredder Attachment. This is a genuine attachment, designed and engineered by the same company that makes your Kitchenaid stand mixer. It's built to the same high standards you expect. It's compatible with any Kitchenaid stand mixer you already own. This attachment transforms your mixer into an even more versatile kitchen tool. It comes with 3 different blades for slicing and shredding. You get a 3mm slicing blade, a 4mm medium shredding blade, and a 6mm coarse shredding blade for various tasks. You can easily slice or shred ingredients directly into any bowl. This allows you to prepare just the amount you need, reducing waste. The included 2-in-1 food pusher makes preparing both large and small fruits and vegetables a breeze. It handles everything from cucumbers to celery with ease. Everything packs neatly into a convenient storage case. This makes it easy to access when you need it and simple to put away afterwards. Cleaning up is a snap. All the blades are dishwasher safe, making cleanup quick and effortless. What we like? This attachment is perfect for quick and easy prep work. It comes with 3 different blades for slicing and shredding a variety of foods. If you often find yourself needing to slice vegetables for salads or shred cheese for recipes, you should consider this. What people say. This strainer is a great addition to my Kitchenaid mixer, making it easy to strain fruits and vegetables. The design is efficient and it fits perfectly onto my Kitchenaid stand mixer, allowing for hands-free operation. It's a versatile tool that can be used for various straining tasks, from making juices to pureeing baby food. Number 4. Kitchenaid KGM All-Metal Grain Mill Attachment. Introducing the Kitchenaid KGM All-Metal Grain Mill Attachment. It's designed to grind a variety of low-moisture grains with ease. You can achieve textures from coarse to fine, perfect for all your baking needs. It handles grains like wheat, corn, and rice. This attachment is also suitable for other low-moisture and low-oil grains. Expand your culinary possibilities with this versatile tool. It comes with a convenient cleaning brush to help maintain it. Plus, it's easy to attach and use with your stand mixer. Designed to fit all household Kitchenaid stand mixers. Get consistent results every time you use it. What we like? For those who love baking with freshly ground flours, this is a game changer. It allows you to grind various grains from coarse to fine, right in your own kitchen. If you are looking for the freshest possible ingredients for your bread or baked goods, this is the attachment for you. What people say. It is a great addition to my Kitchenaid mixer, making it easy to strain ingredients. The strainer attachment works efficiently and is easy to clean. Number 3. Kitchenaid 6-7 Cutie Bowl Lift Stand Mixer Pouring Shield. Tired of messy countertops? Our upgraded pouring shield ensures your ingredients stay in the bowl, making mixing more efficient and preventing splashes. It's designed for a quicker, cleaner process. Crafted from food-grade PC plastic, this accessory is both safe and built to last. Enjoy a convenient cooking experience with its heat-resistant design. Easily add ingredients to your stainless steel mixing bowl with our large, angled pour chute. No more wasted raw materials, just smooth and efficient preparation. This shield is specifically designed for Kitchenaid 6-7 Cutie Bowl Lift Stand Mixers with stainless steel bowls. Its fully enclosed design prevents splashes and overflows during operation. Install or remove it in seconds when your mixer is stopped. It even converts into a sealed storage container, adding extra convenience to your kitchen. Say goodbye to flour dust and spills. This shield provides complete coverage, ensuring a mess-free environment while you mix even lightweight ingredients. What we like? Tired of flour clouds when mixing? This pouring shield is designed to keep your kitchen clean. If you have a 6 to 7 quart bowl lift Kitchenaid mixer and frequently mix dry ingredients like flour, you should consider this to save yourself a lot of cleanup time. What people say. This strainer is a great addition to my Kitchenaid mixer, making it easy to strain fruits and vegetables. The design is efficient and it fits perfectly onto my mixer, allowing for hands-free operation. It's surprisingly easy to clean, which is a big plus for any kitchen gadget. Number 2. KitchenAid Stand Mixer Attachment Pack 3. Elevate your culinary creations with this essential attachment pack. It's designed to work seamlessly with your KitchenAid stand mixer. Effortlessly grind meats and firm vegetables with the included food grinder. You can also create delicious homemade sausages with the stuffer attachment. The convenient food tray allows you to process larger quantities of ingredients. This makes preparing for big meals or events a breeze. Enjoy fresh, homemade citrus juice year-round. This attachment makes juicing everything from small limes to large grapefruits incredibly simple. Each component is meticulously designed, engineered, and tested by KitchenAid. You can trust in its quality and performance for all your kitchen needs. This attachment pack is powered by your KitchenAid stand mixer. It fits all household KitchenAid stand mixer models, offering broad compatibility. What we like? This attachment pack offers incredible versatility for the home cook. It includes a food grinder, a sausage stuffer, and a citrus juicer, allowing you to tackle multiple tasks with one purchase. If you like making your own sausages, grinding your own meats, or juicing fresh citrus, this is a fantastic all-in-one solution. What people say? This strainer fits perfectly onto my KitchenAid stand mixer. It's easy to assemble and use, making the process of straining ingredients quick and efficient. The durable construction ensures it will last for a long time. Number 1. KitchenAid Large Food Tray Attachment KSMFT. Introducing the Large Food Tray Attachment. It's designed to help you process larger batches of ingredients with ease. This attachment seamlessly integrates with your existing KitchenAid food grinder, sausage stuffer kit, and fruit and vegetable strainer. Make preparing large quantities of ingredients simpler than ever before. Spend less time prepping and more time enjoying your culinary creations. Cleanup is a breeze. Simply place the food tray on the top rack of your dishwasher for effortless cleaning. The included plastic food tray measures a generous 7.5 by 12.5 inches, providing ample space for your ingredients. This is the KSMFT model, designed for your convenience and to enhance your food processing experience. What we like? If you're processing large quantities of ingredients, this large food tray is a must-have. It significantly speeds up the process when using the food grinder or other compatible attachments. If you often find yourself making large batches of ground meat or preparing a lot of produce, you should consider this to streamline your workflow. What people say? It is a great attachment for the KitchenAid mixer. It works very well for straining fruits and vegetables. The design is sturdy and it is easy to assemble and use. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.